Hello, this is Pastor Derek Jordan coming to you once again from Hope Everlasting Ministry, where the hope of the Lord is and is Him. And I'm excited today to be bringing you another edition of the Hymn Highlight from Hope Everlasting Ministry. The Hymn Highlight focus for today is the reason for love. As Christians here on the earth, we must make sure that we love unconditionally. We must love whether people love us back or not. I know that may be difficult. However, even when we were yet sinners and we were enemies of Christ, because we were sinners, Christ still died for us. So there's absolutely no excuse that we have not to love one another. How can we say we love Christ whom we've never seen, but we don't love our fellow man? Yes, you have to do this by faith and not by feeling. If you get caught up in your feelings, you will never love at the level in which Christ loves. The Bible says in 1 John 4 in the 19th verse, it says, we love because he first loved us. Since Christ chose to love us, why don't we take some time to choose and love one another? Listen, don't love people just because they love you back. Love those who don't even love you, because that's the kind of love that we must have by faith and not by feeling. Remember, he is the reason for love. This is Pastor Derek Jordan coming to you once again from Hope Everlasting Ministry, where the hope of the Lord is and is Him. And always remember, it's Him time.